Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone's doing well. I miss you all so much. Today we are going to be talking about adjectives. Remember, adjectives are those words that describe something. So we can say that the grass is green, or we can say trees are tall. Today we're going to be reading a book called Dinosaur Roar. And in this book, we are going to see lots of adjectives. We're going to try to find the adjectives within this book. Can you help me do that? Look at all of those dinosaurs. They're different colors. They're different sizes. I think there's going to be lots of adjectives within this book. Dinosaur roar. Dinosaur squeak. So we see that one dinosaur is really loud. He has a really loud voice. It's a roar. And this dinosaur has a very low voice. It's a squeak voice. We can also say that this dinosaur is really big. And this dinosaur is really small. Dinosaur fierce. Dinosaur meek. So this dinosaur is really, really scary and mean. And this one may be a little bit more shy. We can also say that this dinosaur has spots and this dinosaur has stripes. Dinosaur fast, dinosaur slow. So this dinosaur is really fast, but this one's really, really slow. How else can we describe these dinosaurs? This dinosaur has horns. So it may be a little spiky. The skin may be a little bit more rough. This dinosaur doesn't have anything. It has a little bit of hair at the top, so maybe its skin is a little bit more smooth. Let's see what else we find. Dinosaur above, dinosaur below. This dinosaur is below this dinosaur. This dinosaur is above. This dinosaur is blue, green, and has spikes. So it may be a little pokey. And this dinosaur has sharp claws. So maybe we could say that it's sharp. Dinosaur weak. Weak means that you are not strong. And dinosaur strong. So this dinosaur is strong. It can lift up the rock. This dinosaur is weak. It cannot lift up the rock. This dinosaur has lots of scales. You can see it on its legs. It's scaly. This dinosaur seems like it may be a little bit more smooth. So its skin may be a little more smooth, and this one may be a little bit more rough. Dinosaur short. You see the little dinosaurs? They're very short. Or dinosaur very, very long. This dinosaur has a long tail and a long neck. And these dinosaurs are very short. They may be baby dinosaurs. Both of these dinosaurs are green and scaly. So we can describe these dinosaurs, all of the dinosaurs in this picture, as green and scaly. Dinosaur fat and dinosaur tiny. Saying this dinosaur is really fat and this dinosaur down here is really tiny. Dinosaur clean, dinosaur slimy. This dinosaur needs a bath. It's dirty. This dinosaur is nice and clean. How else can we describe these dinosaurs? I see that this one is very big. And this one is smaller. We can also say that this dinosaur is green. This dinosaur is blue and orange. Dinosaur sweet means that the dinosaur is really nice. Dinosaur grumpy. Woke up on the wrong side of the bed. It is not happy. This dinosaur is very spiky, scaly. This dinosaur looks like it has more smooth skin. Dinosaur spiky. We can see the spikes on this dinosaur. And dinosaur lumpy. Looks like it has bumps on its skin. So they're saying that it's lumpy. All sorts of dinosaurs eating their lunch. They're all eating different kinds of food. Some are eating red berries. You can say that they're small red berries. Some are eating big green leaves. Others are eating short grass. Gobble, gobble, nibble, nibble, munch, munch, crunch. The end. All right, now we are going to go on to our Google Slides. So you're going to go to Google Classroom, and you are going to find the slide that is for adjectives. So what we're going to do is we're going to describe the pictures that we see. So we can see right here, our first picture is a flower. The flower is very pretty. It looks like it may be small, but let's see what our options are. Black, blue, purple. I wonder how we can describe this flower using our words, black, blue, or purple. I see that the petals on this flower are purple. So I'm going to move the word purple up to the box because we can say that this flower is purple. This flower is not black or blue. It is purple. Let's see what our next picture is. Ooh, I see a ball. I see a yellow, round ball. Let's see how we can describe this. Is this ball bumpy, smooth, or long? Looks like there's little dots on the ball. So that makes me think that it's not bumpy. And it looks like it may be a small ball. So I think that it is bumpy. I think the dots on the ball make it look bumpy. We can also say that it's lumpy. Right, our next picture is a dog. Whoa. How can we describe this dog? Is it short, long, or green? Looks like it has a really long body. I'm going to say that it is long. It's a long dog. See what our next picture is. Our next picture is the picture of a bunny. Our words are rough, bumpy, or soft. If you've ever felt a rabbit's fur, it's very smooth. It feels very good. So it's not rough, it's not bumpy, it's soft. Rabbit's fur is very soft. You can tell by the picture. It looks very soft. It's kind of like a dog or a cat's fur. It's very soft fur. Our next picture is a picture of a swimming pool. Looks like there's lots of blue water inside the swimming pool. Can we describe the pool as dry? There's water inside the pool. Is it dry? Is it wet? Or is it crunchy? Well, if there's water inside the pool, it's not dry. And water isn't really crunchy. But we can describe water as wet. All right. Now it's your guys' turn. Now we're going to have a scavenger hunt. And what you're going to do is you're going to find different things in your house that match our adjectives, our descriptive words. And if you're able to, you can put a picture on each slide, each thing that you find. So our first word is green. Green. So I went around my house and I found something green. I found a green sponge. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type the word sponge into the box. My descriptive word, my adjective was green, and I found a green sponge. Let's see what our next word is. Our next word is smooth. Smooth. You can feel something to see if it feels smooth. I found this bowl. It is very smooth. So I am going to write bowl in the box because in my house I found a bowl that was smooth. Our next word is round. Look at this silly plant that I found. The tops are round. You can also say that they're a little spiky. If you touch it, it kind of hurts. But the tops are round. So I'm going to write plant in the box because I found a round plant. And the last one is shiny. You can look at something to tell if it's shiny. I found an ice cream scoop. This ice cream scoop is very shiny. So I'm going to write in the box, ice cream scoop. All right, and don't forget that when you are finding your objects that you can take pictures and add them if you would like. I hope everyone has a great day and are really hard workers. Bye!